Yes. So now we are going to discuss electric potential due to a point charge. A point charge is kept in the space. Let us consider this as plus Q, right? We have to find the electric potential due to this point charge at some distance. Say this is a point charge और इस point charge का मुझे इस point पे potential चाहिए. I want potential at a distance of 50 सेंटीमीटर. इस पॉइंट पे पोटेंशियल कितना होगा? सो आई वॉन्ट टू फाइंड द पोटेंशियल ऑफ दिस चार्ज एट पॉइंट पी. मतलब अगर किसी भी चार्ज को कहीं भी इंफिनिटी से पी पॉइंट तक लाना है तो मुझे कितने एनर्जी, कितना जूल स्पेंड करने पड़ेंगे कि ये 50 सेंटीमीटर, बाहर से कोई भी चार्ज 50 सेंटीमीटर पे आ जाए. इस पॉइंट पे, इस पी पे 50 सेंटीमीटर पे how many joules I have to spend so that I can find the potential at point P, right? So for this we have taken any on the same axis I have taken a point A. I am bringing the charge from infinity to point A, right? Now I'll slightly move the charge from A to B. Small work done I'll find out. ये स्मॉल dx डिस्टेंस के लिए, ये dx डिस्टेंस के लिए यहां पे आई फाइंड आउट स्मॉल वर्क डन, राइट? पॉइंट P पे पोटेंशियल निकालना है, लेकिन इसी लाइन पे मैंने एक पॉइंट A मान लिया, राइट? अभी आई फाइंड आउट कि A को A से B में मूव करने, स्मॉल वर्क डन कितना होगा अगर मैं स्मॉल डिस्टेंस कवर अप करती हूं, राइट? सो दैट फाइंड आउट दैट स्मॉल वर्क डन, एंड वंस आई फाइंड आउट दिस स्मॉल वर्क डन इन मूविंग द चार्ज फ्रॉम A to B, I can find total work done by simple process of integration. The limits of integration will be from infinity to a point P. Point P पे मुझे potential चाहिए. My requirement is the potential at point P and charge is coming from infinity. So बीच में मैंने कोई भी दो points मान लिया. I'll find out the work done in moving a charge from A to B, whose distance is very very small dx, and then I'll integrate. The limits of x will be from infinity, the limit of x, a point का distance कितना है x, from infinity to a point P, right? So we are going to proceed. So according to Coulomb's law, what will be the force between two charges at point A? This is q, this is q naught. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Let us name this as q. Both small q, that this is q, that is q naught. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square. Can you tell me the direction of the force? ये भी प्लस है, ये टेस्ट चार्ज भी प्लस है, so direction of the force will be away. Say, let us say from O to A, along OA, because they are repelling along OA, right? So after this we'll write down, not now but in derivation you have to mention, let us consider a point A at a distance x. We will move the charge from A to B, small distance dx, so that the small work done is dw, right? So we'll find out that small work done, small work in moving charge from A to B, small work done will be F into dx. Now this dx has this direction. I am moving the charge to this direction. Force is in this direction. What is the angle between F and dx? Yes, the angle is 180 degree. So F dx cos 180 degree or minus F dx, or minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by x square into dx. This is a small work done. I need to find the total work done when charge is coming from infinity to this point P, because my motive is to find the electric potential at point P, whose distance is r, right? Integrating both the sides, dw comes out to be minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q naught outside, integration of 1 upon x square dx. Now this x will be from infinity to r. X is infinity and x is r, right? I am bringing the charge from infinity to a particular point r, right? So yes, dw will be so simple. When I was not bringing it was 0, then it is w, so simply we will write down w on left hand side, right? So this is minus q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught x raised to power minus 2 integration of x raised to power minus 2, x raised to power minus 2 dx. X raised to power n is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So this becomes x raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Limits infinity to r. Minus q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught x की पावर माइनस 1 अपॉन माइनस 1 infinity to r. ये माइनस और ये माइनस will cancel out. q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught x raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon x, right? So we can write it as work done is q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by x infinity to r. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is r, lower limit is infinity. Work done is q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. What is 1 upon infinity? This is 0. Value of 1 upon infinity. So this r remains. So this is work done. What do I need? I need electric potential. What is electric potential? Work done per unit charge. So ये जो charge है work done upon charge will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. What is this work done by charge? This work done by charge is potential. So we can write potential as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r. This is the expression for potential due to a point charge. See, these formulae are similar. You have to be very careful. When we are finding the force, this is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 by r square. When it is electric field, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r square. When it is potential, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r. So यहाँ पे q1 q2 by r square है तो force, q by r square है तो electric field and q by r है तो potential. So this is electric potential due to a point charge. Whose potential it is telling? इस चार्ज q का पोटेंशियल बता रहा है. ये कहाँ पे? एट पॉइंट r. इस डिस्टेंस r पे इस पॉइंट चार्ज का पोटेंशियल कितना होगा? k q by r, राइट?